Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Beja 8. I'm your newscaster, Bianca Gambino, here today with yet another interesting topic featuring an invasive species in Australia, the cane toad. Now let's take it to our news reporter, Amelia, currently observing this problem in one of the impacted areas.
Thanks, Bianca. I'm here today in Queensland, Australia with a local invasive species specialist who is going to tell us some of the effects that the cane toad has caused on the environment. Can you tell us how the cane toads came to be in Australia when they originated all the way from South America?
Yes. Hello. To answer your question, cane toads were originally from South America, but the cane toad was introduced to Australia to control destructive beetle populations by the Bureau of Sugar Experiment Stations in the 1930s. Yep, this non-native species has been a problem for over 80 years, and they are showing no signs of stopping their exponential growth patterns.
Wow, that's really interesting. If it was added to help with the beetles, what makes it such an invasive species?
The cane toad is quite fatal to almost all animals. They have a toxin that is used to fight larger predators off. Because of this, the predators have learned not to go near the animal, causing it to not be killed by anything. Basically, they are considered an invasive species due to their ability to dominate the food chain.
Let's have one of our team's top scientists confirm these interesting facts.
Hello everyone, I'm Justin, a prestigious scientist currently working on this problem. And I can confirm this is quite true and very bad for other species living in the affected environment.
Thank you, Justin, for that confirmation. So, Mr. Higgs, while we have you here, it seems as if the world would be much better off without the cane toads. So what are scientists doing to stop the domination of these toads?
That's a great question, Amelia. So far we are trying to control cane toads by killing them in a few ways. Our first way is simply humanely disposing of the toads or their strings of eggs. And the other way to control them is using our own toxins against them.
That's very interesting. Can you explain how that's possible?
Certainly. We here have been doing a lot of research and found that you can build a trap using the toad's own toxin and other chemicals and add it to the water. It almost acts like bait, and it acts like a magnet to tadpoles. From there, we trap and kill the tadpoles, which essentially prevents the future toads from living.
Wow, thank you so much for that information. Now, Ethan, do you think this trap will help it become less invasive?
Although it's too soon to tell, if Justin's experiment works, then the cane toad population should slowly decrease and be properly controlled within 10 to 15 years.
I'm glad we got to insight everyone on such a dangerous species. Well, that pretty much covers it. Back to you, Bianca.
It is so hard to believe that such a small animal can cause such damage. I say that if you ever encounter one of these gray, yellow, green, or reddish colored toads that you shouldn't touch them. And to contact an invasive species hotline to report one. That's all for tonight. Stay safe and goodbye.